person has tested positive for coronavirus in the UK after developing symptoms. She has been admitted to hospital. The man at the centre of the main outbreak in the UK, a businessman from East Sussex, has now been discharged from hospital after being given the all clear.
The UK government established NHS Test and Trace in May 2020 in response to the COVID-19 pandemic. It was tasked with tracking and helping to prevent the spread of COVID-19 and was a central part of the country's recovery strategy.
My name is Jackie Rock. I'm the Chief Commercial Officer for the NHS Test and Trace, and it is my responsibility to manage the commercial supply chain activities for the NHS Test and Trace service.
The NHS COVID-19 app was launched in September 2020 and is currently the second most downloaded exposure notification app in the world.
So on our 1 year anniversary in May 2021, Test and Trace had achieved to date 5 million lateral flow tests provided a week, over 1 million antibody tests delivered, 92 million PCR tests have been conducted. We have over 1,500 asymptomatic and 1,200 symptomatic testing sites set up across the country. We have 313 local tracing partnerships set up, and the Test and Trace app has had 22.5 million downloads.
The NHS Test and Trace service helps identify, contain and control the virus, which in turn reduces the spread and therefore saves lives. By tracing the spread of COVID-19 and isolating new infections, it also serves as an early warning system for fresh outbreaks and helps control the rate of reproduction, the now familiar R number.
So as our restrictions are easing and we're all going back to a more normal way of life, Test and Trace is going to be absolutely critical in the service that it offers to continue to ensure we protect our NHS and we save lives.
16 months after they were first introduced, most legal restrictions on social contact have been lifted in England. Groups of any size can now socialise both in
NHS Test and Trace was reliant on digital solutions beyond the development of a user-friendly app, and that included a complex ecosystem of trusted partners, including supply chain solutions that managed the provision of tests to the lab systems that handled the analysis.
So we often refer to NHS Test and Trace as a team of teams organisation. Our partners, our suppliers, have been absolutely critical in delivering this service. We couldn't have done it without them. Their collaboration, their innovation and their speed of implementing what we needed to do has been phenomenal. I'm incredibly proud of the work we've done in Test and Trace. It's been really tough. It's been a tough time. And I often say to people that are working in this environment, in the future years, your grandchildren, your great-grandchildren, when they say to you, what did you do during the great lockdown of 2020 and 2021? And you'll be able to respond, I was part of the solution and I saved lives.